Hi guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my kitchen. You can see the mess behind me, my son left. But we're on our way out for archery, but I wanted to do this little quick intro for the recipe for the mini frittatas this week. The great thing about frittatas is you can put anything you want in them that you like, especially if it's a protein. So ham or turkey or bacon, whatever you like, you can put in there, as long as it's low carb. And I just wanted to touch base with you on how you know if you're staying in ketosis. So here's a video of what the keto sticks look like. I think I've shown you guys the bottle before, but I went and peed on a stick just for you guys so that you could see how purple is showing that I have ketones in my urine, which means that I'm burning fat. So we are off to archery. Without further ado, enjoy this recipe. Bye guys. For the mini frittatas are as follows. Eggs. All right, so the ingredients are as follows. You'll need eggs, 6 of them, half a cup of heavy cream, and then whatever you would like to put in your frittata. So this is what I'm putting in mine today. I'm gonna make some different ones. So I have some chopped up bacon. I have some yellow onion, orange and red pepper. I've sauteed both of those. Some spinach, some Monterey Jack cheese. You can use any cheese you like. Gruyere is beautiful cheese in here. And then just some grape tomatoes that I've cut in half, and I just put those on the top for garnish. You'll need salt and pepper, and then some cooking spray. You'll need a muffin tin, and let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I've already preheated the oven to 350 degrees. Just gonna spray the pan with the cooking spray. Half a cup of heavy cream in there, since I've already spilt one of them, because it's that kind of morning, guys. My eggs into the same bowl with the heavy cream. So just gonna go ahead and mix this up. We're gonna go ahead and add salt and pepper. We're gonna go ahead and take the muffin tin, and I'm just gonna take a little ladle, and you're just gonna fill it halfway. This is where your creativity comes into play. So I'm going to put some bacon in some. So I have bacon in some, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the onions to a few. So I'm saving 3 of them for my son with nothing in them except for the bacon. I have a little green onion in here as well. And do the peppers. And then I'll put spinach in a couple of them. Those will be for me. We'll just do spinach in 3 of them. And then cheese, and all of them get cheese. I was very pleased. I made these for the first time for our Easter brunch, and they went over very well. And then, on everyone but my son's, this is also a good way for me to know which ones are his. He does not like tomatoes. I'm gonna put a little extra fresh ground pepper. And a little bit more salt. There we go, guys. There you have them, the little baby frittatas. So in the oven they go, and we'll check back in about 20 minutes. All right, it's been 20 minutes, so I'm just gonna take a little skewer toothpick, and you can just run it in the center, and if it comes out clean, just like cake, it's done. These are really cheesy. I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna test a couple of them. I say it needs about 2 minutes more, and then we'll pull them out. They look gorgeous. So you can see that they've pulled away from the side. So I'm just gonna run a knife around them. We're gonna let them cool. See, they'll just pop right out, look, because I've sprayed it enough. There you have it, guys. Little frittatas. You can eat them now, topped with a little sour cream or a little guacamole, or you can eat them at room temperature, and they store beautifully in the refrigerator. Hope you enjoy.